Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Cosori Professional Air Fryer. That's an awful thing. Cook healthy, delicious meals for the whole family with the good old Customizable Professional Air Fryer. With little to no oil required. Food cooked in Cosori Air Fryers has on average 85% less fat than deep fried food. With 12 cooking functions, we can adjust and save any present to our liking. Enjoy all the deliciousness of fried food without the health drawbacks. The Untitled touchscreen features one-touch selections for quick and easy cooking. 85% less fat than traditional deep-fried food. Nearly same delicious taste. 10 Customizable Presets. Steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, frozen food, French fries, bacon, vegetables, toast and bake. Unique to Cosori Air Fryers, the preheat function takes just 2 up to 5 minutes and visibly improves food texture. Delicious! And 5.8 QT baskets. Feed up to 5 people or fit an entire rotisserie chicken in the baskets. It fits a whole 5-pound chicken. That's big. That's awesome. That's delicious. And there is a 100 recipe cookbook included with original Cosori recipes. 10 customizable presets, one-touch selections, shake reminder, preheat function, auto shut off, tilted touchscreen, Fahrenheit 2 degrees Celsius, unit switching. That's awesome. You can program it for degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. Included recipe book. Delicious. Power supplies AC 120 watt, 60 watt. Rated power is 1700 watt power. The capacity is 5.8 QD. These are 5.5 L liters. Severus for 3 up to 5 people or 1 people like me. The temperature range is from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. These are 77 degrees Celsius up to 204 degrees Celsius. The time range is from 1 minute to 60 minutes. The dimensions 11.8 to 12.7 inches. These are nearly 30 centimeters to 35 centimeters to approximately 32 centimeters. The weight is 12.3 pound or 5.6 kilogram. Healthy food, same delicious taste. Delicious, crispy, guilt-free. Cooked, tasty fried meals for the entire family with the Cosori's premium 5.8 quad air fryer. It fries food with up to 85% less oil than traditional fried food. Same crispy taste with less oil. The air crisp technology uses a powerful convection fan to cook our food up to 2 times faster than a traditional oven and reduce our food's oil content by up to 85%. Giving it the same crispy taste without the health drawbacks. Healthier results in less time. The air frying technology helps preserve more nutrients in our food than other types of cooking, such as deep frying, boiling, or poaching. 5.8 QT square fruit-shaped baskets. The basket square-shaped, designed to allow them to fit more food than circular baskets. And we have a customizable presets. Cook all your favorite with 10 presets fine-tuned with the help of the Cosori chefs to ensure maximum flavor. Add in convenient shake reminder as well as preheat and keep warm function. And we're all set for mealtime. It's really easy. Select one of the 10 cooking presets, then adjust the temperature and the time. Then choose if we want the shake reminder and press and hold the preset icon until the air fryer beeps 1 time to save it. Ooh, we have a detachable baskets. Easily clean our basket by detaching the inner basket from the outer basket itself. And fingerprint assistant is possible. The air fryer's elegant rear brushed surface remains smudge-free even after regular use. And of course, 100 recipe cookbook. Oh, 100 delicious meals for us. We can craft over 100 delicious recipes to inspire ideas for every meal of us. And easy cleaning. The non-stick baskets are dishwasher safe and are made from Pfoa free and BPA free materials, this making it safer for our food. This is awesome. It's really awesome. And it's so delicious. Cook healthy, delicious meals for the whole family with the good old Cosori professional air fryer. With little to no oil required. Food cooked in Cosori's air fryer has an average 85% less fat than deep-fried food. With 12 cooking functions, we can adjust and save any preset to our liking. And we can enjoy all the deliciousness of fried food without the health drawbacks. You can make so delicious French fries with it, and it's so easy and healthy too. That's the good old Cosori professional air fryer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.